It's wicked and a wicked, dog. Just like how you send a woman, just like how you send a girl them to go war with Rose and make it look like a Rose trouble them. I made it feel like a Rose trouble them because I know a Rose stay. When me hear the woman at the counter, I tell Elephant man, say, Ellie, you know, say from the day before the girl them been a follow up Rose and I call her a big back and I trouble her and Rose been not pay them no mind. The woman I deck talk straight, say, Ellie, you know, say I reach Rose, reach her breaking point and could take in a more and go up in them face. Not even me wouldn't know, cause in my head, me know how Rose stand. Me think I did she. You understand? If me never hear the receptionist, I say, yo, from yesterday, them I follow her up. And I try get her because with them phone and them camera and I trouble her, me wouldn't know. So I just hate you for nothing at all, bro.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete. I've made it up on the beat and as you can see, on the screen, figure it out, and Akeem is still feeling the heat after they allowed Rosealee to get into an altercation at RIU Hotel. People putting at the comment section where you think about that, because I'm not going to lie to you. You know, they should have done a lot more to try to prevent the girls from ever reaching this part. You see what I said? Because there was only somebody trying to break up the incident, which was homegirl that came with the girl with the pink, right? You know, figure it out, wasn't there, it was just Akeem. So maybe if he was there, being the older one, him would have tried to de-escalate the situation. But nevertheless, he said, you know, a lot of people is coming from them, bullying them, all type of bagga things. You see, man? Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. But anyway, people, like and share the video from now, and let's hear what he has to say about the situation at hand. You see me?
As much as I want to feel like Rose harder than a Rose listening, you know, bro. But I say, sister, I go and sister say, bro, if I made it trouble them would I tell you. Sister say, bro, from yesterday, girl, them follow me up on a video, me not even look on them, because I say, you know what, me not to make a fool of myself, you know. And I see same thing receptionist say, from yesterday, girl, them follow her up. You see me? You know, I make it seems like we are the bully, bro, when I uno constantly a bully we for no reason. I saw to make it seem, you know, like we are the bully. We not trouble nobody, bro. I don't ever bully we and a neat style and make we look bad. Regular I do it and set up some little scenario to make it look like say we are the bad person. I don't know I do it. A regular them do it in a chat. Set up some scenario, you know, when them set it up for trouble we, you know. I make it look like say we over here do problem. You see all the comment section, you know what then we do? People click their live, them going at it, figure it out, say this. All when figure it out, now no same say that. You hear the comment section, figure it out, say this, figure Akeem said that. When nothing at all na go say, you know. When nothing at all na go say, bro. Regular them do it and set to up and try make the other people them this way and bring with them. Sometimes we not even have a clue so we even mention nothing like that, bro. Me I tell on the chat, I saw them stay over here, bro. Regular them come set to up over here, bro. That the only screen recording what me not see. Me I get beaten for because me nah pick up fear. So Dyeama say, yo, Vybz, make we archive the picture them and see what going on. Bro, Dyeama house me the same way. I have me sleep last night, bro. Told me stress out charge up on the ground, me drop asleep, dog. Cause me I tell you say the thing I get to me, you know. The thing I get to me, the thing I get to me, the thing I get to me, bro. Me I say, dog, what kind of people them am I youth? How much more than people I can do? When I say we are user, when I say we are manipulator. Brother, when my brother series mash up me and Dyeama still they are entertaining, no, bro. When Rose and Akeem series mash up, oh they are we do the same way every single day. Oh they are we do, no, bro. Me and Dyeama every single day. I know I come about me and use and me this and me that. Bro, we there every day same way. I know for me and Shorty series na mash up. I know me and Shorty series na mash up. Me even one time, bro. My youth, me reach my breaking point to make me I get for tired of over here, dog. Because it don't make sense. Oh, you come over here and you be humble, you be nice, as you slip to pussy clot. Sometimes you're not even for them people and nothing for them people that rub you in the dirt, dog. Screen recording, people I say, yo, when him as him start here live, make a report him for what? Because me I spread love on the app. Because me I do positive things. I want me too positive. I must positive, me too positive, bro. After that, I can't nothing else. Because I never click my life yet and come trouble nobody. I never diss nobody, I never bring down nobody, I never do nothing yet. So I feel positive, me too positive, me no want to get rid of me. After that, I can't nothing else. Bro, how me feel, brother. As me reach in my blood clot house, me just get down on my phone, me say shorty, just take my phone, me no want to see nothing. And I just lay down straight on the ground and this morning I wake up and go bed. As me reach in my place, I just say shorty, hold my phone, I can't bother. And I just go straight go sleep and I don't wake up back till morning. Man, me there me I lose weight, bro, because them people are just a stress me charge. Everything me do is a problem, bro. Me there me I lose weight, dog, like literally. Me I lose weight, my mom already and my clothes them a drop off for me. Me watch me do what my right wrist size watch her. I drop off for me, bro. Look there. Maga me I get maga, dog. So much I drop off for me and no stress my brother. For nothing at all. Moderators, turn on me come. Talk about man over here, man a clean card, bro. Sometimes I not even stay long enough and put up 100k kind. My gifter them come to me and my gifter them say, figure, why you not stay alive and rank how you're supposed to rank? Me say, ladies, it at the root of all evil over here. See, you know what? Make me just go one side, me put up a little thing a morning time and me gone because I hit at the root of all evil upon this app here, bro. I don't care all the trouble me dog, me still not gonna call no name, bro. But when I just low in my youth, we not trouble nobody, bro. Just leave we alone now. Just leave we now, bro. Me know no want me come cuss and tell no about no mother, but me not gonna do that, bro. I know my style that. I know my style for come say, yo, go suck your mother. I know for me style that, bro. Me nah come do it, dog, because me not gross, brother. I know my style that, dog, that you know want me come do, bro. Me nah do that, dog, because I know for me style that, brother. Me nah come bring down no girl on TikTok. Me nah come bring down no batty boy on TikTok. Me nah have no time for that, bro. You see me? I don't do nothing that, but just allow me in my youth because I not trouble you know. Me ever not care all of this. Me say, yo, big up on yourself still. I hope God guide and protect on the same way. Me never come try for this in the back, bro. Me never come try for this in the back, dog. And every single thing me do is a problem, bro. For what? For what, my youth? Day in, day out, me not look no sorry for nobody, you know, bro. But if you see a man not trouble on a big man, not just allow him charge it. When you see a man not care, oh, no chat about him, dog, him not trouble you. Brother, when I click my life, I never click my life for come cussing, you know. But that's I ask you if you leave me alone, bro, because I'm not so no, I'm not trouble on a dog. You see me? When I do phone thing, I'm going to do my thing, bro. That's all me I say, you know. Do phone thing, I'm do my thing, you know. When I spread rumors and allegations for me and I make me look like say me a pussy. And me not do none of what I say me I do, brother. 90% of the things I want to say me I do, me not even know say. How some of the time me I say figure it out even know say him say that. Figure it out even know say him do this. I'm tuning, bro. Yo, watch out now. You come on them in the comment section we a chat. I really responsible on you know, not cyberbully, you know. Me talk about the other content creator them who constantly a pick for me for nothing at all, you know, bro. You understand? Only in my comment section, I'm not really responsible for no negative thought. You see me? Yeah, bro. But that's how I address some things that I see, bro. Rest I don't know what that, bro. I respect everybody on the app, dog. You see me? I will never click my life or come disrespect none of you or make my life pertaining to none of you. So the only thing I say, bro, don't leave me alone. You see me? You just hate me for nothing at all. Bro, me are one of the only man them will have Dyeama back. Chang, me no need to come talk on the seat. Me no need to come talk as you see as something go on and me first click my live and come defend her. As something go on, bro, I me first click my life and come defend Dyeama, bro. So now said to me, the one person we actually there for we are gonna defend her and not try run, for what? We don't want nobody to have our back. Lord Clad, dog. As when I start bully to first ever I click my live and I come defend them. You see me? All when them do fuckery, me can apologize for them behalf. Cause sometimes them too stuck up for even can apologize themselves. I mean always I do them thing there, bro. And them beat me, go and beat me, come and me never can address something pertaining to me. I always Dyeama, always Rose. You get what me I say, bro? Me never address something pertaining to me, dog. Me just no business about nothing what they want to say about me and ever defend them. But enough is enough now, man, because I'm not trouble on it, bro. Enough is enough, dog. Enough is enough, man, brother. Enough is enough, dog. Every day, sir. Every day, sir. Enough is enough, man. Enough is enough, bro. Enough is enough, dog. Tired now, brother. I tell you honest truth, dog. I'm tired of them people over here, so now, bro. You see me? I'm not giving I'm gonna make me crash out and come cuss and this nobody. Me not do it. Because I'm my style. You see me? I'm not make because of honor, me change my beliefs and come this nobody over here, so. You see what I say? I know my style that, bro. Me not come this nobody over here, so. You see me? That me just send out a message say, bro, wanna leave me alone, dog, because I'm not trouble on the brother. I don't come for my life with this, and I don't come for my life with talk about, and I just ask them to leave me, bro. You just leave me alone. That's all me ask you, brother. When you see somebody not trouble on a dog, and just leave a person alone. And I come talk one time, I not talk back again, you know. I just want to get it off of my chest and talk it one time. You see me? I want to stop mix me in a rumors, because I would never do nothing to harm them two girls, none at all. If nothing for go on me, first we got to dodge a bullet for them. I don't know that too. And the fact I don't know that and still a chat fucker, that hurt me. The fact say if I don't know nothing for go on me, first jump to them defense. And I me on the day I start take on and I make me look like a pussy, bro. And I say him a manipulator, him a user, him money don't know, I been do me series. And me been could not put up way more kind. And I said to my moderator them, I say ladies, watch I know. You see that ranking thing here. I eat at the source of all evil. So here we go on. Me not even one there. So my time them, bro, me a rank and me there number one and I put my thing in a ghost mode. Me not run down ranking, bro. You know much time me there number one and me in a ghost mode and me not take it out tight. Me keep it right there in a ghost. 3 different times I did forget number one and I put my page in a ghost mode. And me never collect it. So I know money thing I run down over here, so bro. I really and truly do this because I love to do it. I really and truly do this thing because I love it and I enjoy it and it teach me a lot. And that's why I do it, bro. I'm not really business about fame and clout or nothing. The enjoyment and the experience is just thrilling. And I enjoy it. Enjoy it, bro. I did number one ranking a problem. Me not collect it too much time. What's the sense putting my page in a ghost mode if I really that way over here I run down? You see what I say? If I really that way I run down, what's the sense me I put my page in a ghost mode? And that I pray, bro. I just love the point so I can teach some people how to deal with females better. Teach some man how to deal with them woman better. Teach some people how to ban and make their relationship work for the best. You understand? I just that me really enjoy doing, bro. When people see me in the street and them say, yo, look at you, enough thing you teach me, you know. Because of you, me and my woman strong, you know. And them thing they fill my ego, bro. And on social media and views fill my ego, dog. Me not really matter that. Me don't tell you from day one, so me not have to be on favorite, bro. But the 1 and 2 person them out there will believe in I dream and swear man I do, are them people that me appreciate, bro. You see what me I say? Me not expect say 100% I go like me. At least 180 gonna hate me and 120 I go rate me. Nothing wrong. At least 20 of them rate me. Sometimes I'm tired, bro. I say, Dyeama, a long time I wanna give people them a serious. Come in. Sometimes me and Dyeama did it, bro. Me not even play a match. Cause I know them stay. Oh, I'm on him a look. No fight time them me there with Dyeama, bro. And we not even play a match. We just a vibe with the people them right through. We not play a match, bro. So it's not ranking at it's not ranking at the problem. That is not the problem, bro. Cause me have a team. Me just not follow it up because me see some corruption. When I wanna get up every day and I hate upon somebody who work hard for them one. Why not just work before no one to? You know, spread rumors. Oh, them have credit card that change. Who forget it from? Who forget it from? Can I clean card and I put up 100k a day time? Brother, I just wicked dog and just want something for just fling me under the dirt and make you look like some set of pussy. I'm just wicked over here, some man, yo.
Put in the comment section if you agree with him that these people are just mix up out here and he is not a user. Nor is he a manipulator. You feel me? I'm not going to lie to you people. Them people are salt, you know. Or I should say this series salt because they should be having the time of their life. They were just in music video with Elephant Man. That's a big deal for these type of people, you know. You know what I mean? Because, you know, Elephant Man a big deal, you know. I know, figure it out, girlfriend Dyeama. You know, they said bagga. So let's hear what I go on for that to go on, isn't it?
Yeah, now tell him to sell me and PayPal me. Cause why would me want to shoot for me if nurse, if me want a bills fire right now, nurse. You better me just say nurse, me I beg you bills. Because if you change out the bills what I give, me nah get that.
Nah
Out your
get
bills
that.
what I give, me nah get more than about
And that
$40.
them not understand.
Some people just want up on the ranking show, ranking see it. Enough time me give to them call me and tell me, say, Dyeama, me no feel like shoot. Me say, give me the money, me glad. Me no want to go on a ranking. So it's enough time when they talk about me drop off. Me and my people, they just zell me. Just get up and me just get up all the morning time and just see Zell come in and me just go back and say thank you. I swear to God. Some of them just want to put ranking with their name because they say they're big nurse. I mean, in the ranking don't make no sense. Because, see how they give me a lion, you know. Nurse. Me not get the 3 bills you pay for the lion, nurse. I 150, me I get 125. And if you better when I say nurse, me I say nurse, better you give me 3 bills, you know. Because some stay nurse, better the place a nurse, no matter show to give me it.
Same way, so.
I'm not afraid. Because I not run down ranking nurse. Remember, say a long time I have name in a legend, you know. I not run down name again, you know. I have name long time I run down name for.
See them say
Oh, you
ranking
see
a
TikTok come like so.
popularity.
You see anyway money they baga there. Because you see ranking come like a scamming. People will kill you for ranking. And the ranking now do nothing to you. You never get a reward. More than only just go number one and show so you go number one. For people seeing your face. People kill you when you say ranking coming like a scamming. People kill you for. I swear they kill you for. I better say none of them go up on the ranking, none at all. You that your nurse will not even put up 300k blood clot there. See them in their number 3 now how much K up there. See me jump up at number 4. I never reached 100k yet. That was 43. Look how long over here. I may have 2.4 people over here. I don't know them that I say, I could show 2 sitting by the screen with Dyeama.
What me just talk about?
They not sit down and listen people busy. Then I say, you know, I say, I'm going to bless up Dyeama. Let me I tell you, I just pay a crowd. And nurse, if we take it down right now, I'm going to one match. One of them run gone.
Nah help.
Nurse, me go click off you and show you something. Come here, me show me a talk. I'm going to show you brawling. Come here. I'll show you, nurse. Come. I go look at a match going and show you something. Because nurse wouldn't feel like a joke me I make. Watch out now. I'll show you something. Nurse, I'll show you how serious. Come you see what matter now.
Go on.
You ready now? Come here.
I run on.
I'll show you something, nurse. I'll see, there's no secret take time and gone. So I'll show you something on next day.
First gift double, people. First gift double.
May I tell you, nurse? Tell you about them.
First gift double. First gift double. First gift double.
Watch a nurse. And the man not have the crowd with me have, you know? The man not have the crowd with me have.
First gift double, people. First gift double. Double. Let's go.
You see,
Follow.
come and investigate that 44 people by the man live. I mean have 2.4k. And look. And a 44 people in man have on the live. Me just show no something. Nurse, that's what me I talk about now. Yeah? That me I tell you now. They mix up people over here. One strawberry, pure mix up people over here.
Sandy Bandy, thank you, darling.
I'm just going to match nurse just to show you what me I talk about. And the man must have 44 people in my life. Yeah. I tell you.
Okay, people, this is my take on Diamond Figure It Out. They're fake. You know what I mean? They are using the emotional route, you know, to flip the script on, you know. But they know the thing set, and that's what them get gifts from people who I feel sorry from all of them, because them two of them just come live at the set time talking about the set thing. It's a money-making scheme. This is why I don't buy what them selling, but I'm doing the Lord's work, and I'm the messenger. Do the right thing. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified whenever we drop the latest. Bless.